Imagine typing a description and instantly having a physical object appear. Well, get ready, because ChatGPT-5 just unveiled an instant 3D model generator. This groundbreaking feature allows users to simply describe any object, and the AI immediately creates a ready-to-print 3D model. This innovation dramatically cuts down design time and complexity. What once took hours or even days of specialized software work is now accomplished in mere seconds with a simple text prompt. It's a massive game-changer for countless industries. Picture rapid product prototyping, engaging educational tools, advanced gaming assets, or even personalized home decor, all at your fingertips. Most importantly, this technology offers unprecedented accessibility to 3D creation. Now, anyone can bring their wildest ideas to life, regardless of their prior 3D modeling experience or technical skills. Don't miss out on the latest AI breakthroughs. Hit that subscribe button and like this video for more daily AI news.